Yeah, really impressive actually, like proper industry expo feel to Falmouth, which is really nice. It makes a nice change. So.
Yeah.
Incredible. Everyone is so talented and actually they're really nice, and I'm just trying to offer everyone a job. I don't even think I have jobs to give. I was like, you get a job and you get a job.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like the standard that we're seeing here is just so high. I've been in the industry a little over 5 years now. And even students that we saw 2-3 years ago weren't producing the same kind of work that we're seeing here.
Like right off the bat, it's fantastic. Like the look and sound of everything is very so true to how they actually are, and it's very, the atmosphere is really buzzing, and having all the students like really enthusiastic about like what they're doing is fantastic.
The way they support each other and the way that they like big each other up about the work that they've done is like, it's like a really lovely culture. It's very sweet to see.
Yeah.
They actually are passionate about the games that they've put out. Like you can see that this is their baby. So that's really lovely to see, because that's what I want to see when I'm hiring. So yeah.
One of the things that is really nice is seeing not a lack of competition, because you always have that edge as you're looking at other projects and things like that, but talking to them after playing, learning about their influences, why are they making the games they're making, but then asking them for recommendations, saying, look, what other things should I be playing? And they say, you've got to check out this one, you've got to go check out this one, you've got to play this. And that's really nice, like seeing them all root for each other.
Dr. Bounce is one of my favorites. It is like, it feels amazing to play. Talking to all of the students, like they are so enthusiastic about it. Like they clearly love this thing that they've made, and it like looks good, it feels good. Like, oh, I can't get enough of it. I can't believe they made it in 8 months. That's just mad to me.
I just sat down and played Repeater Roulette, which is a kind of roguelike first-person shooter. Heavy Binding of Isaac influence, Killing Floor and things like that. And obviously, coming from Splash Damage, we make shooters.
It's such a Splash Damage game.
It really is, the guys talking about how Doom is a big influence and things like that. So yeah, sitting down with them, talking about that project and giving them some feedback and hearing how excited they were and recognising some of the guns on the t-shirt. Yeah, that's been really great, but I've still got a few more to play.
Yeah, I'm terrible because I forget the name, but there's a game where you bounce the gun off the... That's the game. That's the game.
The game everybody loves.
Yeah, I think it's a combination of it's a really good game, but also they've gone to town with their booth marketing, which is the way to do it, right? You just can't, unavoidable attention. So I think there's some really strong stuff.
I managed to check out Coffee with Cryptids, which is very nice. They were a lovely group of people, like really enthusiastic. They know the cryptids, and I had a very nice chat with them about it.